saw this one on Reddit just now and thought I'd address this for you guys. If you're not part of r/Mortgages Canada, you should be. So this post here is asking if they can add their car payment to their mortgage for their purchase. Short answer to this, absolutely no. Long answer, a little more involved. So if it's not a purchase, then you can roll your car payment into your mortgage. But to answer the specific question in this post, no. You cannot add in a car payment when you purchase a home. When you are refinancing, say you buy a home for $500,000 and you only owe $350,000 and you've got a car payment that's $40,000. Well, you can pull out up to 80% of your equity. So if you owe $350,000 and your home is worth $500,000, then you can have up to a $400,000 mortgage, which means yes, you could roll that $40,000 car loan into your mortgage. Absolutely. But now you are paying for that 7 or 6 or 5 or 4 year car loan over 25 or 30 years. Is it advised? No. Will I do it if somebody really is having cash flow issues and really just needs to free up some money? Sure. But it's going to come with the stipulation that that interest that you were only going to pay for a handful of years, you are now paying for a quarter of a century. So the answer to this is no, but on a refinance, the answer is yes. Anyway, like I said, come join us at r/Mortgages Canada if you haven't before.